Today I am reviewing the Jasion EB7 2.0 adult electric bicycles. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Starting with the motor, the EB7 2.0 comes equipped with a robust 750W brushless motor, which can reach a peak power output of 1200W. This translates to a maximum speed of 28 miles per hour, allowing you to zip through city streets or countryside paths with ease. What's impressive is its hill climbing ability. It can conquer inclines of up to 25 degrees, making it great for hilly terrain and varied landscapes. Powering this impressive motor is a 48-volt, 10-amp-hour lithium-ion battery that provides an estimated range between 22 to 55 miles per charge, depending on the riding mode and terrain. This range is ideal for most daily commutes or recreational rides. Plus, the battery is removable, which means charging is super convenient. You don't have to haul the entire bike to a power outlet. Just take the battery off and charge it anywhere you want. Comfort is clearly a priority with the EB7 2.0. It features dual suspension, an 80mm travel front suspension fork and a rear seat suspension. These work together to absorb bumps and shocks, smoothing out rough roads or trails for a more enjoyable ride. Complementing the setup are the fat 20-inch by 3-inch puncture-resistant tires, which provide excellent grip on various surfaces, from sandy beaches to snowy paths, and further improve stability and shock absorption. One of the standout features of this bike is its foldability and portability. When folded, it measures just 36 by 21 by 29 inches and weighs around 59 pounds. This makes it incredibly easy to store in your car trunk, bring on a public transport like subways, or stow away in tight spaces at home or work. If you want a bike that travels with you, the EB7 2.0 definitely fits the bill. Safety has been thoughtfully addressed as well. The bike includes front and rear mechanical disc brakes, ensuring strong and reliable stopping power in all conditions. For nighttime or low-light riding, the bright front headlight and adjustable rear light improve visibility, helping you see and be seen. The throttle is designed with a half-twist mechanism to help prevent accidental acceleration, adding an extra layer of rider safety. On the convenience front, the EB7 2.0 features a user-friendly LCD display that clearly shows your speed, battery level, pedal assist mode, and total distance traveled. This makes it easy to keep track of your ride stats at a glance. There's also a handy USB charging port, so you can keep your phone or other devices powered on the go. The bike offers a 7-speed gear system, allowing you to select the perfect level of pedal assistance or manual riding speed for your journey. To summarize, the Jasion EB7 2.0 combines power, comfort, and portability in a well-rounded package. Whether you want a reliable daily commuter, an all-terrain adventure companion, or a foldable bike that fits your active lifestyle, this electric bike has the features to deliver. Its impressive motor, long-range battery, dual suspension, and safety features make it a smart choice for riders looking to enhance their mobility with an electric boost. If you want a durable, fast, and versatile folding electric bike that doesn't compromise on performance or convenience, the Jasion EB7 2.0 adult electric bicycle is an excellent option to consider.